Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the contextual taskbar. This intelligent floating bar appears in your workspace, offering immediate access to the most relevant tools and actions for your current task. It is designed to significantly boost your efficiency by reducing the need to navigate through extensive menus, keeping your focus directly on your creative work. The contextual taskbar is incredibly versatile, adapting its options based on what you are working with. For instance, if you select an image, you might see options to select a subject or remove a background. When working with text, it instantly presents formatting controls like font selection, size, and color, saving you valuable time and clicks. While the contextual taskbar appears by default at the bottom center, you have full control over its placement. Simply click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on your screen. For repetitive tasks, you can pin the bar to a fixed location or hide it entirely through the window menu if you prefer a less cluttered workspace, reactivating it anytime. To truly maximize your productivity, embrace the dynamic nature of this bar. It anticipates your next steps, offering actions like creating masks or filling selections with just 1 or 2 clicks. Integrating its quick actions with your existing keyboard shortcuts can further accelerate your workflow, allowing you to maintain focus and achieve your creative goals faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.